here, listen. If your car also makes this strange sound, stop the car immediately. Save your life first. First, the engine pulls the cylinder. If you hear this sound, it means that the engine pulls the cylinder. Stop the car immediately and turn off the engine. Second, if the bearings make noises, the faster the speed, the louder the noises. You must stop the car immediately and report for repair. Third, the engine knocks the cylinder. Over time, it will cause the engine to lock, important components to be damaged, or even directly scrapped. Fourth, the piston pin makes abnormal noises. Be sure to disassemble the engine and replace the piston pin as soon as possible. Fifth, the engine belt makes noises. The noise is loud when the cold car starts, and the noise gradually disappears when the hot car starts. Replace the generator belt and repair the motor tensioner. Sixth, the oil pump makes abnormal noises. Replace the improved oil pump and chain plate. Seventh, the three-way four-position valve makes abnormal noises. In addition to repairs, check the hydraulic push rod and camshaft. Have you remembered them all? Follow me. There are 1,000 pieces of car knowledge on the homepage.